I'll never forget ruining my son's graduation party because my old, cheap offset smoker couldn't hold a steady temperature. Half the brisket was completely dried out, and the other half was practically raw. When I finally decided to upgrade, the endless sea of pellet grills, charcoal gravity feeders, and digital Kamados was incredibly confusing. You probably felt that exact same buying paralysis. That's why I spent months testing the top models to cut through the marketing hype. Today, I'm ranking the 7 best barbecue smoker grills, and you won't believe the revolutionary tech on our number 1 pick. 7. Pit Boss Pro Series 1150. When I first assembled this massive unit in the test kitchen's backyard, I was immediately struck by its imposing footprint and rugged aesthetic. The build quality feels substantial for the price point, featuring heavy-duty steel construction and a high-temperature powder coat finish. With an enormous 1,150 square inches of cooking space, or roughly 7,451 square centimeters. This grill is clearly designed for people who regularly host large neighborhood block parties or big family reunions. During my initial brisket tests, the digital PID control board did a decent job of maintaining the target temperature, which ranges from 180 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. One of my favorite physical features is the innovative flame broiler lever. With a simple pull of a lever, you can seamlessly transition from low and slow indirect smoking to direct flame searing, allowing temperatures to reach up to an intense 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit directly over the fire pot. This makes it incredibly versatile if you want to reverse sear a thick tomahawk steak right after smoking it. However, after living with this grill for several weeks, some glaring frustrations began to surface that I simply cannot ignore. My biggest grievance is with the Pit Boss Smokey T app and the grill's Wi-Fi connectivity. While attempting several overnight pulled pork cooks, the app repeatedly disconnected from the grill, forcing me to trudge out into the cold yard at 3 a.m. just to verify the internal meat temperature. When you invest in a smart grill, the wireless monitoring needs to be bulletproof, and the Pit Boss software simply feels unfinished and buggy. Furthermore, despite the advanced fan-force convection cooking, I noticed significant heat disparity across the massive crosshatch, porcelain-coated cast iron grids. 6. Recteq 1600. Recteq has built a legendary reputation for utilizing high-quality 304 stainless steel, and this model absolutely gleams on the patio. The iconic micro-polished bullhorn handles give it an aggressive, unique look that definitely starts conversations. Stepping up to 1,667 square inches of total cooking space across 3 grates. This absolute tank of a smoker can reportedly accommodate an astonishing 15 pork butts or 6 whole briskets simultaneously. In my performance tests, the rock-solid PID controller was highly impressive, holding the ambient temperature within 5 degrees of my set point. Unlike many pellet grills that struggle to get hot enough for a proper crust, the flagship 1600 pushes the envelope with a maximum temperature of 700 degrees Fahrenheit. I tested this by throwing on a batch of smash burgers and a ceramic ignition system, rated for over 100,000 lighting cycles, fired up the pellets instantly. The burgers came off with a beautiful, diner-style crust that most pellet grills simply cannot replicate. But despite the premium materials and impressive heat output, this massive rig has a few significant drawbacks that became painfully obvious during long smoking sessions. First, the sheer volume of this 1,600 square inch cooking chamber acts like a wind tunnel, causing the grill to absolutely devour wood pellets at an alarming rate. During a windy, 14-hour brisket cook, I had to refill the 40-pound hopper sooner than expected, making it surprisingly expensive to operate on a regular basis compared to slightly more compact, insulated models. Additionally, the grease management system, while improved from older models, still left a lot to be desired. 5. Campchef Woodwind 24. While it may not have the gargantuan footprint of the previous 2 models, this pellet grill proves that smarter engineering often beats raw size. The Woodwind 24 utilizes Campchef's highly advanced PID controller, coupled with a stunning full-color display screen. What immediately sold me on this unit is the adjustable smoke number feature. Instead of just setting a temperature, you can select a smoke intensity from 1 to 10, allowing you to fine-tune the amount of hardwood flavor infused into your food. During my testing, I utilized the slide and grill technology, which allows you to pull a knob and slide the heat deflector away, exposing your food to direct flames. However, the real game changer is the patented ash cleanout system. With every other pellet grill on the market, cleaning the fire pot requires pulling out the greasy grates, removing the heavy drip pan, and using a shop vacuum to suck up the ash. With the Woodwind, you literally just pull a side knob, and the ash dumps directly into a removable cup underneath. It turns a miserable 20-minute chore into a 3-second task. The absolute best part of the Campchef ecosystem, however, is the Sidekick attachment system. I tested my unit with the Sidekick sear box attached to the right side of the pellet hopper. This powerful propane burner reaches 900 degrees, giving you a true steakhouse quality sear that no pellet grill can achieve on its own. You can also swap the sear box out for a flat-top griddle or an artisan pizza oven. This single feature transforms the Woodwind 24 from a dedicated smoker into a complete, modular outdoor kitchen. 4. Kamado Joe KJ15041021. This grill is a fascinating hybrid that bridges the gap between ancient ceramic cooking traditions and cutting-edge digital convenience. Purists love traditional charcoal Kamados for their unparalleled heat retention and authentic flavor. But managing the airflow manually to maintain a low and slow temperature has an incredibly steep learning curve. The connected Joe eliminates that hassle entirely by incorporating a digital control board and an integrated control fan that perfectly regulates airflow for you. My testing experience with the connected Joe was practically magical. You load the firebox with lump charcoal and a few wood chunks, hit the automatic fire starter button on the digital display, and walk away. The built-in heating element ignites the charcoal in minutes, and the fan brings the heavy ceramic dome up to your exact target temperature. I smoked a massive pork shoulder for 12 hours, and the digital display remained perfectly locked at 225 degrees the entire time. It delivers the profound, smoky charcoal flavor that competition Pitmasters demand, but it operates with the lazy, set-it-and-forget-it ease of a pellet grill. The thick, heat-retaining ceramic walls of the Kamado Joe are a massive advantage, particularly if you live in a colder climate. Because the ceramic is so highly insulated, the grill is incredibly fuel-efficient. I found myself using less than half the amount of charcoal I would normally burn in a standard steel drum smoker. The heavy-duty fiberglass wire mesh gasket seals the lid with a satisfying, airtight thud, ensuring that all the precious smoke and moisture stays trapped inside the cooking chamber where it belongs. 3. Searwood XL 600. Weber completely went back to the drawing board to replace their older smoke fire line, and the resulting Searwood is an absolute triumph of barbecue engineering. The build quality feels immediately superior, and the cast aluminum end caps on the cookbox help retain heat brilliantly. It offers a generous 972 square inches of total cooking area, which is a sweet spot for accommodating massive backyard feasts without feeling like a commercial catering rig. What truly sets the Searwood XL 600 apart is its Rapid React PID controller. Weber claims it heats up in 15 minutes or less, and in my testing, that was entirely accurate. I dialed the temperature to a blistering 600 degrees Fahrenheit, and it raced up to the target temp with shocking speed. Furthermore, when I opened the lid to mop my ribs, the Rapid React system instantly detected the temperature drop and stoked the fire to recover the lost heat within seconds. The temperature stability on this machine is nothing short of incredible. Weber's direct flame cooking system is the real star of the show here, because there is no massive, restrictive heat diffuser plate blocking the fire pot. The flames are allowed to naturally kiss the food. This creates a full great sear zone, allowing you to achieve deep, flavorful sear marks, and gorgeous golden browning across the entire bottom grate. You don't have to shuffle burgers around trying to find a hot spot. Every single inch of the main grate provides serious steakhouse quality heat. You can even drop in Weber's carbon steel griddle insert to smash burgers directly over the fire. 2. Traeger Timberline XL. Traeger essentially invented the pellet grill, but with the Timberline XL, they have completely redefined what a premium outdoor kitchen appliance should look and feel like. From the moment you touch the handle, you can feel the luxury. It features fully insulated double-wall stainless steel construction that locks in heat so perfectly that the exterior remains cool to the touch even when the fire pod is blazing inside. The Timberline controller is a massive, full-color touchscreen that feels as responsive as an iPad. It seamlessly integrates with Traeger's Super Smoke mode, which purposefully manipulates the fan speed at lower temperatures to bathe your food in thick, rolling, blue hardwood smoke. I used this feature on a massive prime brisket, and the resulting smoke ring and dark, crusty bark were indistinguishable from meat cooked on a traditional, offset stick burner. The grill also comes fully equipped with 2 integrated meter wireless meat thermometers, removing the hassle of tangled wires from your cooking space completely. One of my favorite additions to this model is the integrated Traeger induction cooktop built directly into the side shelf. While the massive main chamber slowly smoked a batch of chicken wings, I used the induction burner to violently boil a pot of corn on the cob and reduce a sticky, sweet barbecue glaze in a cast iron skillet. It completely eliminates the need to run back and forth between your backyard and your indoor kitchen. The Easy Clean Grease and Ash Keg is another brilliant innovation, funneling all the waste down into a single, easily disposable bucket hidden inside the gorgeous bottom cabinet. 1. Masterbuilt MB20041220. After vigorously testing all these incredible machines, the Masterbuilt MB20041220 proved to be the holy grail of backyard barbecue. It successfully takes the unrivaled, mouth-watering flavor of real charcoal and wood chunks and perfectly marries it with a push-button, set-it-and-forget-it convenience of a modern pellet grill. The magic happens inside the massive gravity-fed hopper attached to the side. You simply dump in up to 16 pounds of standard charcoal briquettes or 10 pounds of lump charcoal, drop a fire starter in the bottom slot, and turn it on. As the bottom layer of charcoal burns, gravity continuously feeds fresh fuel down into the fire, giving you up to 8 hours of completely uninterrupted cooking time. I loaded the hopper with charcoal and large chunks of hickory wood, and the resulting smoke profile was incredibly deep, complex, and vastly superior to anything a compressed wood pellet can produce. The temperature control is completely managed by Masterbuilt's digital fan technology. The precision is mind-blowing. It can hold a steady 225 degrees for a low and slow overnight brisket, and when it's time to sear, you just turn the dial. The fan roars to life, and the grill rockets from smoking temps to a blistering 700 degrees in just 15 minutes. The massive 1,050 square inches of cooking space features incredible reversible cast iron grates. One side is V-shaped for perfect sear marks, and the other side is flat for smoking. You can control everything from the highly reliable Masterbuilt app over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, tracking up to 4 meat probes directly from your phone.